Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So we're always pleased to bring another beautiful restoration project to you. We like doing these visible gas pumps. This is a 1924 Wayne 515 model gas pump from 1924, I believe. So when we bought the gas pump, it was a beautiful core. We're always looking for some good bones to start our restoration process. Once we got the gas pump, as you can well imagine, they're kind of difficult to get apart. So we completely take everything apart. All of the cast iron here, there's cast iron down in here, there's cast iron up in there. Everything goes to the sandblasters, comes back. Then it's properly prime coated, and then it's shot with a base coat of this color. Then what we did is we applied, these are not decals, or they're decals, not stickers. So these are water release decals. There's one of these on the opposite side. Then we clear coat everything after we've hand pinstriped everything, okay? So everything is hand striped, clear coat, and buffed. So all of our chrome parts go out for triple chrome plating, which has all been done. All of the brass on the pump, which is here, some here, has all went out for high polish, and then as well as it's clear coated so it won't tarnish in the future. We have a beautiful, beautiful clear glass globe in it, okay? We wouldn't build a gas pump without putting the appropriate glass globe in it. As well as up on top there, that is a metal ring, so that's stamped steel, it's not plastic, with the glass inserts as well. So we have basically, when we do these really nice big jobs, we put every penny in it we possibly can. I can't find another place to put any more money in this pump. We spared no expense. And this pump is 10 feet 4 inches tall, 10-4 to the top of it. Very stunningly beautiful, tall, massive piece of artwork, and the base is 24 inches round. And when you buy this pump, we will knock it down, and when we do, we will do a little video for you so that you know how to put it back together. It is really quite easy, but we will do a video for you. We will not blanket wrap this pump. It will be taken next door, and it will be crated professionally by Orange County Crating and delivered to you apart. Basically, from here up comes a part, and it will come to you laying down in a beautiful wood crate with all of the parts in it. Can't say enough about these, getting harder and harder to get. As you can well imagine, there was a tremendous amount of time, patience put into this pump, and it shows. Once you receive this, you will just absolutely love it because it will probably be prettier in person than you're seeing it here in this video. And everybody out there, we always appreciate you watching our videos. Here's another really fun one, and whoever wants it, let us know. We'll get it boxed up and sent out.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.